Hello everyone, I'm Krishna, Farm Manager at Smart Agro. Smart Agro is a Bengaluru headquarters company which enables to own a fully managed farmland or invest in organic farming or form an urban farming community, or you can get the more professional help for your agricultural land. Presently, I'm at Timber, which is an agroforestry project by Smart Agro, and this project is located at Hindupur, which covers an area of 57 acres. In this video, I will show you how to make the Brahmastra in detailed manner. So firstly, let me start by telling you the ingredients required to prepare the Brahmastra. 4 different types of leaves, 20 liters of cow urine and 100 liters of water. To make Brahmastra, we have collected the following type of leaves: 2 kg of neem leaves, 2 kg of papaya leaves, 2 kg of gaba leaves, 2 kg of mango leaves. Additionally, we have also taken 2 kg of pongemia leaves and 2 kg of calotropis leaves. And now that we have all the ingredients, let's start making the Brahmastra. Firstly, you need to take a big container and add 20 liters of cow urine and crushed leaves to it. Then mix it properly and then cover the container with a lid. We cover it with a lid as the mixture tends to heat up and may start evaporating it if uncovered. Leave the mixture to rest and come back after an hour. You will now notice that the mixture has changed its color from green to dark red. The leaves you added to it would have become brittle and will start breaking easily. Now filter the liquid and store it in another container for 48 hours. Mix it properly and you are ready to start spraying this 100% organic mixture on your crops. Do make a note that evening is the best time to spray it on your crops because insect attack increases during evening times. Also, you can prepare Brahmastra in bulk once and use it for up to 6 months. Ta-da! Brahmastra is ready. Let me now show you how to use this Brahmastra. You will need to firstly consider the stage of your crop. If your crop is in initial stage of pest attack, that is attacked by insects, aphids, mites, thrips, jessids, etc., you need to have 5 liters of Brahmastra. If your crop is badly damaged and it is in a critical stage, then you need to have the 10 liters of Brahmastra. Once you determine your crop stage, whether you need the 5 liters or 10 liters, then add 100 liters of water into it. So I hope now you know how to prepare the Brahmastra and use it effectively. Use regularly this Brahmastra and you will be amazed by the result it gives. See you again in the next video with the useful and the more organic tips. Do share this video about the Brahmastra preparation and the usage with your family and your friends and help them benefiting from this organic technique too. Bye bye.